Let's learn how to enable internet speed meter. When we are using mobile data or Wi-Fi, we cannot identify how many data we are using. If you enable this internet speed meter, we can identify our data speed and how many data we are using. This Samsung Galaxy A04s mobile not received default internet speed meter, so we want to download third-party application. Go to mobile Play Store and search here internet speed meter. You can view this internet speed meter Lite application. You can install this application. After, you can set up it like this. If you want to customize some features on this application, you can click on this three dot icon on top right corner and go to preferences. After, you can customize as you like. After the first opening, you don't want to do anything. Now you can exit on this application. If we zap our notification bar like this, you can see our net speed meter like this. In this method, you can identify your mobile connection speed and data usage.